Good morning and a very good day to Dr. Aniza. Before starting the presentation, let me introduce myself. I am Lo Cha Wei and there are also two members in our group, which are Yap Hong Ying and Yap Hong Ming. Today, we are going to present how artificial intelligence helps in solving problems in our daily life to improve our living quality. The building that we selected as our topic to discuss is the childcare center. In our content, there will be introduction, common activities in the center, how artificial intelligence technology is being used in common activities, and the conclusion. What is childcare center? Childcare center provide a place where babies or children under school are cared for in a safe surrounding and environment. It provides regular full-time or part-time childcare in place. The number of children attending a childcare center is various depending on the number of qualified staff in the center and the space required to accommodate the children in a comfort condition. There are several types of childcare center. Meanwhile, children who attend the center are also different age. However, the primary purpose of the center is to provide a safe and secure environment with quality staff so that parents have the peace of mind of knowing their children are safe while they are working. In order to provide a good environment and take good care for children, artificial intelligence technology is being used for various tasks in the center. One of the common activities in childcare centers is the staff need to use the remote control to switch on and adjust the temperature of the air conditioning system. However, when remote control is misplaced or a malfunction occurs, it will bring trouble. To overcome the problem, a suggestion of artificial intelligence-based solution to be implemented that can make the activities easier for humans at the childcare center is having the AI mode of air conditioning system. The temperature automatically can be adjusted based on the existing room temperature. For example, if the temperature in the room is high above the normal level, the temperature will automatically decrease to make the room cooler and the air conditioning system will increase the temperature when it detects that the room is too cool. There are also automatic temperature setting of air conditioning system according to the number of people in the center. The 3D sensor system are capable of adjusting the operation according to the number of people in addition to setting the temperature 1 or 2 degrees Celsius above or below when there is no one present in the room for energy saving purpose. The system will automatically define the maximum number of people present in the room. When the occupancy rate is as low as 20%, it will change the temperature setting. The sensor updates the operation according to the change in the number of people by checking the rate every 2 minutes. If desired, the air conditioner may stop working when the sensor does not detect anyone in the room for a certain period of time. This feature ensures comfort and energy efficiency. This feature is also being used in commercial spaces where the occupancy rate changes instantly, such as restaurants and office. Besides, it prevents air conditioners from consuming energy when they are not turned off by caregivers in the center. There is also a special feature in the air conditioning system which it can detect the sound of the user. When the user mentions, "Please switch on the air conditioning system," it will turn on automatically without any control. The user may also switch off the air conditioning system by using the same way, which is "Please switch off the air conditioning system." This function allows the user to switch on or switch off the air conditioning system even though they are busy or their hand is not free for the moment. Artificial intelligence used in the air conditioning system require very least involvement of staff and needs no unnecessary attention to its operation. Hence, the staff in the central can give more focus on giving attention to the children in the central.